Jatend Migago Masaga Chemon Chelugui oyango ni paro mar chik madhi tayo ndiko riwruoge mag ohala Migago 2022 osetiek ndiko. Chelugui wacho ni paro mar chik makamano dhi chiwo thuolo maromre ne ohelni matindo kod mago madongo. Nojiwo riwruoge mag ohala mondo mi oti kod lony manyasani e chenro magi mag ohala.
This time round, even with hard economic times, taking loans is a booming business now. This is when we want to make money because people don't have disposable income, so they have to come for loans so that they may be able to survive. So we are making a lot of disbursements on loans this time around because people want money now more than ever before.
We are working on finalization and review the enactment of the cooperative legislation, the Cooperative Bill 2022, that will provide a legal framework that promotes a sustainable and competitive cooperative sector for socio-economic development in devolved system of governance.